This is the chalet that we got at the Old Mill Hotel. Well, I want to show you around this place because it's actually quite interesting. Forgive the unmade bed. But lights over there, mirror. Now, they even go to the trouble of leaving extra adapters. There's mirrors everywhere for the vane. It's small, but it looks like every detail's been taken care of. You know, there's a shower. Let me just take you over here. Okay, so there's the fridge. And see next to the fridge is an adapter and the plug, just so you can charge your electronics. TV, nice big screen TV. Coffee bar. Chairs in case you need them. Bed at the end of the, or bench at the end of the bed. The cupboard. We found this extra blanket. It was explained to us before we settled in for the night. Nice cupboard with a safe inside. Some more blankets. Hair dryer. The blanket came wrapped in that plastic. Coat hangers. Extra duvet. Air conditioner. Toilet's a bit quaint, but okay. The minute you put the light on, the extractor fan goes on. Get in the shower here. The shower's got that all do it all soap. Right, close that off. Let's get to the lovely bit. Sliding doors, pretty steamed up, and then we come onto the balcony. Look at that, nice umbrella. We don't have any use for that umbrella today. And this little, looks like a man-made lake, actually has fish in it that were jumping up earlier. We had two of them. This rat's quite keen on taking the boat out, but I'm not. We'll show you more of the place in a moment. Just let's come back. Picnic time. No, actually it's breakfast time, so we're walking down for our breakfast. Madam is in front because she's always anxious to get there. You have the voucher? This is one section of the restaurant. Very well appointed, this place. Good, good.
Okay, let me show you the table.
Thank you.
Where you want to sit?
Huh?
Where you want to sit? Inside or outside?
Sit outside and then I can walk.
Yeah, okay. And then you can have yourself inside there.
This is what I was listening for last night. It looks like a weir. Hmm? Is that yours?
You want tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay.
All the awards. Let's have a look what this is.
The last year.
Yeah.
The others is on its way.
What's on that?
It's flapjack, sir.
Flapjacks. Sounds very American. Lovely bacon.
Our class book is there.
What is that?
It's mince.
Mince. Who has mince for breakfast?
On the fat book, but we don't have fat book this morning.
Okay. I'm not quite sure what this is. Looks like it could be part of the old mill. Now here, it's like an access point. Let's get a bit of view. Take a walk down this walkway here. And explore a bit more. Oh, is this part of the obstacle course? Ah, it's for the dogs maybe? Isn't big enough for humans. Oh, well, I'd like to see. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Right, let's see if we can zoom in a bit. Quite lively, aren't they?
That two, how? No?
Oh, right, zoom out.
What's that? Donkey. I don't know.
They're ponies. Hello. How are you? You coming to say hello? You know I don't have anything for you to eat, eh? The grass going to be good enough for you. That's right. Looks like the tree's fallen on top of the table here. Oh, look at this one. Are you having a good scratch? Hey? You can't do that all day. Gonna hurt yourself. Sadly, I can't really get to that bridge over there. See the sign? It's also in German. This is the bridge. It's pretty cool, but it has a locked gate the other side. See if I can zoom in for you. See the locked gate? Now that takes us to the road that passes the place. Okay, time to make it back. Found some nests in the tree here, quite large ones. That's not zoomed in, look. Now we found our way to the weir. This is what I could hear from the restaurant. I thought it was a waterfall. Where does this stairway lead to? Let's have a look, shall we? This is nice. Look at this. Get you a different angle just now. And here we have the 3 dogs following us. Come on, dogs. Are you happy with some company today? Hey? Hey? You know you're on video, eh? You as well. Toffee, you? Smile for the camera. Well, I'm waiting to see what they do. Are you going to do it? Nah, you chicken. Chicken.